Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up on Locket app and connect your friends list. If you're new to Locket and want to share live photos with friends right now on your home screen, here's step-by-step guide to get started. So first of all, download the Locket app and then launch the app and tap get started. Next, you can sign up quickly using your phone number, enter it, then type the verification code you received through SMS, or you could just type your email address. Once you're done entering your Gmail, what you're gonna do is create a password. After you create your strong password, what you're gonna do is it will show you if you want to save your password or not, and you can choose to save it. Once verified, you can enter your name and optionally add a profile picture if you want, and then you could also pick a username. After that, tap on the add friends options right over here and then search for add a new friend, and then you will have to give access. Tap allow access when prompted to give Locket permission to use your camera phone. This ensures smooth photo sharing and real-time updates on your widgets. Next, to connect your friends, tap add friends on home screen. Allow Locket to access your contacts so it can find friends already using the app. Next, tap invite button. Tap the add button or invite button next to your friend's name, send them a Locket request. If they don't have the app, you can send them the invite link through message or social media. To place the Locket widget on your home screen, what you're gonna do is tap and hold any empty space in your home screen, then tap the plus icon or go to edit and then let's say add widget. After that, search for Locket and add the widget, and this lets you see your friend's photo in real time. Privacy tip: only connect with people you trust. The photos you send appear directly on their home screen, so avoid adding unknown contacts. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.